So our today's eminent scholar and international orator and nowadays YouTuber, Dr. Ahmed Sheikh with HOD of Chemistry, he will throw some light on the energy conservation for all of you. So you will be informed, well informed once you do this. There will be takeaway for you after the session. So now over to you, sir.
Thank you. Respected dignitaries over here, that is Chairperson Dr. Nilima Dikshit, Potential Professor. We have got the Coordinator over here, Dr. Mary Joshi, ever Professor, and we are having here Dr. Shagufta, a Potential Professor of Future and Head of the Department. And here we are having young, energetic, university topper, MSc Analytical Professor Nazni. And my loving students, I welcome you all with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Very, very good afternoon. We all are here on the invitation of Chairperson Saras Nature Club, Dr. Nilima Dikshit, and she has given me a topic to talk on energy conservation. I let you know, the father of energy is Tesla, and the father of energy conservation is Arthur Hinton. And the one who gave the law of conservation of energy is Mayer and Joules. That's why you write down one of the unit of energy as Joule. And the first law of thermodynamics was given by Clausius and Thomson Kelvin, which talks about the first law of thermodynamics, the energy can neither be created nor destroyed, converted one form to another form. Now, if we talk about energy, energy in fact is a quantitative property. It talks about a body to body or to a physical system, a transfer, one mode. And second mode is the conservation of energy, that it change from one form to another form. If we talk about in true sense, who is the father of conservation of energy, it is none but a child, James Watt, who for the first time in his childhood, he saw a boiling water covered with a kettle, a bumping kettle with a huge pressure and force of that steam. The kettle lid was getting up and down. The idea got imbibed in young James Watt, and he came out with the steam engine. And if you remember, the Energy Conservation Day is celebrated every 14th of December since 1991 in India. And World Conservation Day of Energy is celebrated 14th February every year all over the world. And coincidentally, it coincides with the Valentine's Day. The energy conservation means for sustainable future. You know very well, vibrational energy, rotational energy, excitational energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. You know wind energy, you know solar energy. All these energies are transformed one part to another part. Whenever we don't require our fans, we don't require our tube lights, we don't require our AC and all that, any electronic gadget, when we don't require it, we should put the plug off, switch off. Here, you are saving energy rather than conserving energy, helping the family, helping the society, helping the nation. That's the reason why you might have seen in railways it is written, when not required, switch off the fans and lights. So we must put off the lights not only in railway as well as in our home also. People, because of laziness, they forget. They say that again I have to put it on, so let it be on throughout. No. You put it on whenever it is required. Not only that, mobile, you are keeping on charging whole night. Remember, 10% of electricity is wasted when your 100% charging is done, even though you are overcharging. Loss number one. Loss number two, your battery gets spoiled. And that's the reason why, because of excessive charging, there are damage. So that's the reason why we should take care right from home itself. When we are not required, mixer when you are using, mixer requires at 2, you are making at 1. And in that case, it is bumping and all your masalas are coming out. So therefore, you can make sure that how much you want it. The rotation, revolution per minute, whether you want at number 1 or number 2, number 3, it again depends on what you are going to prepare the masala in that case. Depending on if it is hard and tough, number 1, it is a soft, number 3, if it is medium at number 2. You can save energy there also. When you are ironing your clothes, at that time, if you remember, there is a cotton, there is a linen, and there is a wool. So depending on that, don't keep it on and keep aside. No. When you are going to use in action, at that time you use it. So by that way, you can save energy and money from your father and mother's pockets. At the same time, you are not doing only for yourself, but to the nation as well as the society. So save energy everywhere it is written. Remember, a day will come when CNG, LPG, coal, diesel, petrol, as well as gasoline, as well as rocket, all will be exhausted. That's the reason why we are switching over to solar energy, solar panels. Solar panels are not in our rooftop of our college, but it is in most of the mosques also. In my area, from where I belong, where I am going to start my school, college and all that, there most of the houses they are having on the top. In the sense that in rural areas also they are conserving energy by using solar energy. They are trapping the sunlight and converting it to energy. Wind energy. You know this fan. Electricity when passes, electric energy forces it to move, gets converted to mechanical energy, and you are getting that energy conservation. So in short, the energy conservation in every walk of life, it is we, by saving our money and being cautious, we can conserve energy. At the same time, we can save lots of money. While cooking also, what do you do? Directly take, you are washing this, that your gas is on. No, you should not do like this. When everything is ready, better that you soak your whatever things are going to be cooked well in advance in water. You are chemistry students, you know that epidermal layer gets penetrated by water, it becomes soft, will be taking less energy for cooking. So why don't you save your gas, that is LPG, at your home? So you must do that also. And moment everything is ready, then you start your gas. It is not like that. If you want to make an omelette, you put the gas on, searching the onion, searching the knife, searching the chili, searching the salt and all that. It is not like that. You are supposed to be very cautious, very active. By this we can save lots of energy which the creator of the universe has provided us. This is one aspect. The second aspect, hydroelectricity. If you see, from dams and water is falling, the electrical energy is generated. Not only that, you have studied the nuclear reactor in semester 5. Reactor is a device where nuclear energy is converted into peaceful purposes, that is electricity to a greater extent. So, very first the reactor itself talks about for peaceful use of energy, that is the chain reaction is controlled. So controlled chain reaction makes nuclear energy useful for electrical energy, that is electricity. So now we can see that if I talk about who is the father of energy conservation of India, I have given you a hint. Where are the reactors? BARC. Full form of BARC? Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Who built up that? Homi Bhabha. So Homi Bhabha is in fact the father of conservation of energy in India, because he showed that how the reactor can be designed and it can convert the nuclear energy into electrical energy for peaceful purposes. So in short, we can say that we can save energy, we can conserve energy, we can have a good future, we can have a good India, we are having good India, we will have a better India, and inshallah Azim, the best India in future. So in short, the energy, that was the one aspect. Second aspect, your own energy. In class, you all are active, but exactly not equally active. It shows that how much energy potential you have and how much you are using. So you must conserve energy and utilize in the class by attending lecture attentively and knowing each and every aspect. Every movement of the lips of the teacher should be photographed in your brain. Every word of the teacher should be photographed in your brain. And every action of teacher should be photographed in your brain, so that you can emulate those things when you come out with a degree, that is BSc, MSc, PhD, and become professor, scientist in near future, inshallah. So this is also one aspect of energy. So with this, I thank Dr. Nilima Dikshit, who gives me many opportunities. Along with Dr. Mayuri Joshi, they gave so many mementos to me, and I am thankful to them. Now the second part of conservation of energy, which I am going to talk to you, it will be in short next video, that is the spiritual energy. Thank you very much.